Hey guys, it's LasithKArt here, back with another painting video, and today I'm going to be painting this lovely beach scene near Torquay in Victoria. And I hope you guys really enjoy the video, so sit back, relax and enjoy. So first of all, I start off by adding primary blue to the corners of the sky and working my way down towards the horizon line, adding more and more acrylic white, getting further and further away from where I'm standing, or closer to the horizon. And then I add the seawater in a dark primary blue mixed with a bit of cadmium red, and I work my way towards the foreground, getting lighter and lighter and adding a reddy yellowish tinge further towards the beach. Now I add the basics of the beach using a strong yellowy orange colour mixed in with a bit of acrylic white. And I paint the wet sand using a stronger orange, as you can see, closer towards the shoreline. And I work my way towards the outer parts of the beach, getting lighter towards where I'm standing. And now I add some foamy waves in the distance using acrylic white, and highlight the lower parts of the waves using a strong blue. Now I add the seafoam using acrylic white, and later on I'll go over it using titanium white in oil paints. So now I add some jagged rocks and cliffs in the distance using an orangey yellow tone mixed in with a bit of darker tones, and some grassy hilly plains in the distance using light green and a bit of yellow. And I add some people and a building, and finally go over the beach using a golden yellow in oil paints and highlight the foam using titanium white. And that finishes off the painting. Alright, so that brings us to the end of this video, and I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Now the name of this painting is Pleasant Stroll Along Torquay Beach, and I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Now please don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out my Instagram and Google Plus at LasithKArt. And I hope to see some of you guys in my future videos. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.